Here's how to fix ghost touches on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you don't tap it, but it keeps tapping somewhere that you're not necessarily touching, basically these are ghost touches. It's tapping, clicking things, and you basically can't control it normally. There are a few things that you can do to get that fixed. I'll walk you through those steps. The first and easiest, and I see this a lot, it's the iPhone case or the screen protector that's causing issues. So what you want to do is take your phone out of the case, take that screen protector off of your phone, get a clean cloth and clean your entire iPhone off. Now, once you've done that, hopefully that fixes everything, because sometimes those screen protectors can get damaged, cracked, anything like that, and that causes issues with how the touchscreen on your phone registers taps and causes those ghost touches. Now, if that doesn't necessarily fix it, the next step that we'll do is tap and hold the volume up and the power button, and we'll just slide to restart your phone. By restarting it, a lot of times it just resets everything, reboots iOS, and a lot of times fixes those ghost touches. Now, the next thing that we can do is to head into our settings, and we'll scroll down and tap on General and then Software Update. We'll check to see if there's an update, because potentially this is a glitch or a bug in iOS that Apple has fixed, and you want to update to the latest version to potentially get that ghost touching fixed. Now, the next thing that we can do is go back and scroll to the bottom and hit Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then hit Reset and reset all settings. Now, this will reset all of your settings. It won't delete your files or your photos or any of the content on your phone, but it will set all of the settings back to factory default. Now, after going through all of these steps, if you're still getting those ghost touches on your phone, then most likely there's a physical issue with the touchscreen on your phone. You just have to bring it into the Apple store. They'll run some diagnostics, maybe get your phone fixed, or maybe they'll just have to replace that phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.